Every day we use smartphones, drive cars, fly on airplanes, navigate with GPS, and even chat with artificial intelligence. But have you ever wondered, what is the invisible language connecting all of these incredible technologies? The answer is mathematics. Many people believe math is only about solving equations in school. But in reality, mathematics is one of the greatest inventions in human history. It is the language that allows us to understand our universe, create modern technology, and solve problems that once seemed impossible. So today, let's discover why mathematics is one of the most important subjects anyone can learn. Mathematics is much more than numbers. It is the science of patterns, logic, relationships, and problem solving. Thousands of years ago, people developed mathematics simply to count animals, measure land, and trade goods. Over time, mathematics evolved into a powerful language capable of describing the motion of planets, the structure of atoms, and even the behavior of light. Every branch of mathematics, from arithmetic and algebra to geometry, calculus, probability, and statistics, helps us understand different aspects of our world. In many ways, mathematics is the language that nature itself speaks. Whether we realize it or not, mathematics is involved in almost every decision we make. Imagine going shopping without knowing prices. Imagine building a bridge without measurements. Imagine sending a spacecraft to Mars without calculations. None of these would be possible. Mathematics allows us to measure, compare, predict, optimize, and solve problems efficiently. Doctors use mathematics to calculate medicine doses. Architects use mathematics to design safe buildings. Pilots rely on mathematics to navigate aircraft. Economists analyze financial markets using mathematics. Scientists use mathematics to understand climate change. Even musicians use mathematical patterns when composing music. Mathematics surrounds us every single day. When cooking, we measure ingredients. When shopping, we compare prices and discounts. When driving, we estimate distance and travel time. When checking the weather forecast, mathematics predicts tomorrow's conditions. Your phone calculates battery life using mathematical models. GPS determines your location through complex mathematical calculations involving satellites. Even social media platforms use mathematics to recommend videos you might enjoy watching. Whether you notice it or not, mathematics quietly works behind the scenes. Modern civilization depends on mathematics. Artificial intelligence learns by analyzing enormous amounts of mathematical data. Self-driving cars constantly solve mathematical equations to detect roads and avoid accidents. Engineers use mathematics to design faster computers and safer airplanes. Banks protect your online transactions using mathematical encryption. Medical imaging technologies such as CT scans and MRI scanners rely heavily on advanced mathematics. Even the internet itself functions because of mathematical algorithms. Without mathematics, much of today's technology simply would not exist. One of the greatest benefits of studying mathematics is not memorizing formulas. It is training your mind. Mathematics teaches logical thinking. It develops critical reasoning. It improves concentration. It strengthens problem-solving abilities. Every difficult problem you solve makes your brain better at tackling future challenges. This is why employers highly value people with strong mathematical thinking. They know these individuals can analyze problems carefully and make better decisions. Mathematics teaches us something even more valuable than answers. It teaches us how to think. Mathematics is not only for mathematicians, it is for everyone. Whether you dream of becoming an engineer, a doctor, a scientist, a programmer, an architect, a business owner, or simply someone who wants to make better decisions in everyday life, mathematics will always be one of your greatest tools. Learning mathematics may sometimes feel difficult, but every challenge you overcome builds a stronger and more capable mind. Remember, mathematics is not about being born smart. It is about learning to think. And once you understand that, you begin to see the world in a completely different way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more fascinating ideas and elegant tricks in mathematics, consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and never stop discovering the beauty of mathematics.